let's give this a try. This is the Roadie. We bought these for $44 each because it would rain at night and we'd have to either have a canopy built over the top of the car, we'd have to run around and close the windows because rain would run in. So these are supposed to be the solution to that. So let's check it out. From what I read, this bag is actually part of it. You stuff everything back inside. You take these guys, these are poles that are going to need to be used to keep it up. And you yank it out like this. And then, well, there's a, yeah, okay. Let's see that. It goes like this. There's that. Okay. This goes up here. Like that. Okay. It's got this little thing that stretches around the outside. Little thing you can tighten it up with after. And then this comes down. And then where are you going? And this goes around this door. And this kind of goes around there like that. And then, boom. And then it's got this little string on the inside so you can tighten it up. Right here. So you just pull on that. And that tightens all that stuff up. And you close it.
Does it have to go at the bottom?
Yeah, I thought it did. That's all. Well, see here, this is what you can grab it here. That works. Yeah, it goes like that. Just want to make sure they said it doesn't get stuck in this latch, which doesn't seem to be like that's going to be a problem. So that's good. I don't think it matters whether it goes over the gasket or not. So this is good. It's all pretty well sealed up. There's the door. Roadie. And this, look at that. Now, there you got a zipper on the inside, zipper on the outside. So this is the screen that's open. Now what's cool about this? Well, the cool thing is it's got a built-in rain hood. So, take that. This guy goes in elastic. So this goes like this. Let's see how easy it is. Alright, I'm going to start here. Kind of feed this through. Okay. Alright, that's open. And then you go through here. It's there. So, there. There. And then that gets tucked in there. So you got this little loophole. Look at that, isn't that cool?
No.
So then you got this guy right here. And I think, yeah, it goes in here. And there's a little thing for it there. And so let it rain or snow or do whatever it's going to do. And then you can get at the outside, you can zip from the outside. And you can coil it up if you want to like that. You know, if that's important to you. Want it nice and neat. That goes there. And then you can still, there's enough slack here that you can open up that. And if you roll down the window, which we don't have the window rolled down yet, but you can actually reach in here and you can zip the screen so you can get access to the whole thing from the inside.